For decades, students around the world learned the same thing. Our solar system had 9 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, all the way to Pluto, the small, icy world at the edge of the solar system. But in 2006, something surprising happened. Scientists made a decision that shocked millions of people. They removed Pluto from the list of planets. Suddenly, the solar system had only 8 planets. So what happened? Why did Pluto lose its planet status after being one for more than 70 years? Pluto was discovered in 1930 by an astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh. At the time, scientists were searching for a mysterious object they believed was affecting the orbits of other planets. When Tombaugh discovered Pluto, it was immediately classified as the 9th planet. For decades, Pluto became part of textbooks, classrooms, and scientific discussions. But there was something unusual about Pluto from the very beginning. It was much smaller than the other planets. In fact, Pluto was even smaller than Earth's moon. As technology improved, astronomers began discovering more objects far beyond Neptune. This distant region of space is called the Kuiper Belt. It contains thousands of icy bodies orbiting the Sun. Many of these objects were surprisingly similar to Pluto. Some were nearly the same size. In 2005, astronomers discovered an object called Eris. Eris appeared to be about the same size as Pluto. This created a big problem. If Pluto was a planet, then Eris should also be a planet. And if Eris was a planet, then many other objects might also qualify. Suddenly, scientists faced a difficult question. What exactly defines a planet? In 2006, the International Astronomical Union, or IAU, met to create an official definition of a planet. They decided that a planet must meet 3 specific conditions. First, it must orbit the Sun. Second, it must have enough gravity to form a round shape. And third, it must have cleared its orbital neighborhood. This means a planet must dominate its orbit and remove most other objects nearby. Pluto easily meets the first 2 conditions. It orbits the Sun, and its gravity pulls it into a round shape. But Pluto fails the 3rd condition. Pluto shares its orbit with many other objects in the Kuiper Belt. Instead of clearing its path, Pluto is simply one of many icy bodies in that region. Because of this, scientists decided Pluto could not be classified as a full planet. Instead, it was placed into a new category called a dwarf planet. A dwarf planet is similar to a planet in some ways. It orbits the Sun. It has enough gravity to be round, but it hasn't cleared its orbital path. Pluto is not alone in this category. Other dwarf planets include Eris, Haumea, Makemake, Ceres. These objects are fascinating worlds, but they don't meet all the requirements to be considered full planets. The decision to reclassify Pluto sparked huge debate. Many scientists supported the new definition, but others argued that Pluto should still be considered a planet. Even today, some astronomers believe the definition of a planet might eventually change again. But for now, according to the official definition, our solar system has 8 planets. Even though Pluto is no longer classified as a planet, it remains one of the most fascinating objects in our solar system. With its icy mountains, frozen plains, and distant orbit, Pluto continues to teach scientists new things about the outer solar system. And who knows? As we learn more about space, the definition of a planet might change again someday.